Hi everyone, welcome back to LK Dinner Time. Today, I'm excited to share a recipe that my family couldn't get enough of, grilled whole chicken. It's a delicious, juicy dish that was such a hit, I've been asked to make it again and again. Trust me, this one is perfect for any occasion, so let's get started. First, cut the chicken into half like this. Turn it to the other side and make small cuts using a knife. These cuts will help the spices absorb well into the chicken. Next, add 3 tablespoons of black pepper and 2 tablespoons of salt. Rub it well like this, making sure it's evenly coated. Repeat the same process for the other side. Now, heat a pan and add some coconut oil along with 2 tablespoons of butter. Carefully place the chicken in the hot pan and fry it like this. Turn it around and fry the other side as well until both sides are golden and crispy. Once the chicken is fried on both sides, it's time to add the flavors. Add 4 tablespoons of honey, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of chili powder. You can add more for a spicier kick, and 2 tablespoons of mustard. Mix everything well to coat the chicken in this flavorful sauce. Transfer the fried chicken into a baking tray. Use a rubber brush to spread the sauce generously over one side, then flip it over and do the same for the other side. Finally, bake the chicken in an oven preheated to 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. And there you have it, a perfectly grilled whole chicken that's juicy, flavorful, and absolutely mouthwatering. My family loved this dish, and I'm sure yours will too. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to LK Dinner Time. I'll be back soon with another amazing recipe to share. Until then, happy cooking, and see you again. Bye bye.